There are three top class sewing machines in India that you can go for, but of course you will buy only one of them. So which is the one of the best sewing machine, Usha Janome, Singer or Brother for you, that you should invest in and that you should buy or go for? So let's find out in this video. Hello everyone, I am Dimple Anand. I welcome you on stitchingmall.com. This question is from Shilpa Bansal, and the question is, Hello Dee. Hello Shilpa. I saw many of your videos regarding automatic machine, and now I am more confused in Usha Janome, Dream Stage, Brother GS3700 and Singer 4423. Can you please tell me which one will be more suitable? Personally, I'm loving features of Brother GS3700. Within videos, should I go for it? Shilpa, first of all, I'd like to make sure that I'm giving more valuable information to help you make better decisions, not to confuse you. So write in the comment section if things are clearer to you after watching this video, right? And coming back to your question, we'll first understand what are these three machines and see the term best is relative to your requirement, needs, budget and your lifestyle. So based on your requirement, we'll find out which is the best sewing machine for you. So here, first of all, we get to know about Usha Janome Dream Stage, why you should go for it and if it is a best machine for you. So Usha Janome Dream Stage is a best machine for you if you are a complete beginner or you want to try stitching for the first time, or if you want to transition from a manual machine to an electronic machine or automatic machine, then also Usha Janome Dream Stitch is a best choice for you. Then if you want to try your machine or your sewing on light to medium fabrics, then also this is a good machine. You can use Dream Stitch for regular home use, stitching, mending, sewing, DIY projects, home decor, these type of regular basic stitching purposes. And the most attractive part about Usha Janome Dream Stitches, this is a budget friendly machine, comes around 9,000 to 10,000, and the design of the machine is very attractive. Machine is backed by Usha and Janome. Usha is Indian company and Janome is Japanese, so it is combination collaboration of both the big brands in sewing machines. So you can trust the machine. The servicing of the machine is also good. Like Usha Janome provides good customer service. They have a network of dealers, supporters, and you get good resources online or offline. And the thing is, the spare parts and all those servicing demo, all these things are available. Even I have a Stitch Magic, that is also one Usha Janome machine. So for about 10 years plus I'm using that, so I can confidently say that yes, Usha Janome is a machine that you can go for. But this particular model Dream Stitch, this machine is beginner friendly machine. And if we talk about the features, you get 7 built-in stitches and 14 stitch functions in Dream Stitch machine. These features, these inbuilt stitches are good enough for a beginner because a beginner explores one feature at a time. The stitch per minute speed of the machine is 550 stitch per minute. That is good for a beginner. Like, you don't need very fast machine, so you can stitch on light to medium fabrics. Then you get 4-step buttonholing, 7 applications including the lace fixing, quilting, smoking, roll hemming, picot, and all these things. The regular designing and embroidery machine, a complete package you get in this value for money, budget friendly, home use, beginner friendly machine that is easy to use. Just plug in and start. So this is Dream Stitch for you if you are a beginner, or stitching or sewing is not your regular passion, then this is a machine for you. And even if you stitch regularly light to medium fabric, dress stitching or dress designing, for those purposes this is a good machine. Then price wise, this is very pocket friendly. Dream Stitch comes around between like 8,000 to 10,000 depending on the what is the deal going on at the time. Like about a few weeks back, I think last week itself, this machine was available for something 8,000, around 8,000. I was sharing the link on Stitching Mall channels with all you subscribers and everybody. So you could, many of you also bought from those links and benefited and got the free kit also, sewing kit also. So here right now, this is the price 9,780. But I will provide you the link. This is online price. So many times, there are some discount offers, some low prices or sale offers. So I'm providing the link. You can check there. Whatever is the current price, you will get the best deal there. Your second choice is Brother GS3700. When we talk about Brother gives more features at lower price. This is American based, US based company, and machine is very attractive and good looking with, of course, so many features. This machine is best for sewing and fashion lovers. If you have that craving to make new things, try new things, then this is the machine for you. It can stitch light and medium to heavy fabrics, not very heavy fabrics, but you can do the quilting. You can stitch the denim, not many layers, but yes, manageably. If you use the 18 number needle or 16 number needle, then you can do the settings and use this machine. Regular home use and regular home based boutique, if you have, then also this is a hands-on machine that you can use along with your umbrella machine or your regular heavy duty machine. Then you can do all your mending, sewing, designing, embroidery on this machine with the available designs and settings. As the name suggests, Brother GS3700 gives you 37 stitches, built-in stitches, and 71 stitch functions. The speed of the machine is 800 stitch per minute. That is for an automatic sewing machine. That is a medium level good sewing machine, and you would enjoy working with this machine. It has all the regular features: free arm, LED light, and needle threader, one step buttonhole. You don't get needle threader with your Dream Stitch, but with Brother GS3700 you get many more features. So this is one of the value packed sewing machine. If you have to stitch for a long time, and if you want to do some fashion designing or something, then also this is a good machine for you. This machine is right now not available online in the market because brother machines are imported in India, and during lockdown and corona times there was a shortage of their manufacturing, and their even their website was showing that no demo services, no servicing, no interactions, no staff is available and all. So due to those things, those issues also, maybe their production is hampered, so there many of their models are not available. But if you can, or if you want to go for that, this is the machine. I will provide the link below. Wherever the machine is available online, you can check that time what is the price, whatever is the price, you can check, and if available you can grab the machine. So now we come to your third choice, that is Singer 4423 heavy duty. Why you should go for Singer 4423 and why it is best. See, I love this machine, and most of the people who love to sew or who love to stitch, who are fashion designers, they are sewing pros or sewing lovers, they want to go for this machine because it is heavy duty machine. It can stitch anything like denim, leather, fur, quilting, anything, because it's got 1100 stitch per minute. That is a heavy duty machine, the very strong motor, and the speed is also good. You can use the machine for regular home use, home-based boutique, your mending, sewing, designing, embroidery, all those purposes, buttonhole, picot, fall, all these things can be done with this machine. This is one of the monster machine, durable machine, long-lasting machine. And what are the features? You get 23 built-in stitches with fully automatic one-step buttonholer, and one of the key feature is 1100 SPM, and of course the automatic machine where you can do all your picot, zigzag stitch, embroidery, designing, and all those regular stuff that you cannot do with a straight stitch sewing machine. So this is Singer 4423 for you if you want the benefits of a heavy duty machine, a durable machine, and also the automatic machine features, the additional designing and embroidery features, then this is the best machine for you. So what is the price that you need to pay? If you want to go for Singer 4423, the price would be around 20,000 to 22,000 depending on the offer or discount going at that time. I will provide the link below. So this machine is also not available right now, but if whenever you click the link, if the machine is available, you can check that time whatever is the price, and if the machine is available, you can grab the machine. If you want to know more about these machines and these companies, then you can check the entire review and discount and everything about these machines on Stitching Mall website and what it says about these machines. So I have completely given the complete review and comparisons about these machine companies in India, particularly in India, because what these companies offer elsewhere in other countries, it may be very much different in India, right? So here you have the complete detail, complete review comparison of these companies, Singer and Brother, as well as Usha Janome. I hope, Shilpa, this video helps you in choosing the best machine for yourself. You had already figured out that you want to buy Brother GS3700. So right now, you may not get this machine, but still you can check the link I have given below. If the machine is available and the right prices, discounted prices available there, you can buy this machine. You can get to know more about the sewing machines and how to choose your best machine on stitchingmall.com. And I wish you all the best related to any sewing related things. You want to learn the machine, or you want to know something more about the machine, or you want to earn with your stitching skills or stitching hobby business, you can just write a message to me. And thank you so much for subscribing the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with everybody who wants to enjoy this productive hobby and a profitable business. Take care. God bless you. See you in the next video.